All right, so here we go. So this is a tip for anyone who has, I believe it might be Business Premium or Sales Navigator. Is there anybody on the call who has Job Seeker Premium, the paid subscription service to LinkedIn, Job Seeker Premium? Does anybody have that service, Job Seeker Premium? If you do, can you unmute yourself? Because I want to see who said that. Was that Lisa?
I do.
Okay, so Lisa, I'm going to ask you, so you're the first person I saw up on my screen. Lisa, could you go into your LinkedIn and go into your messaging box on LinkedIn? So click on the messaging tab at the top. In the left navigation where it says messaging, do you see away message? Do you see an option to set an away message for Job Seeker Premium?
And let me go to my profile, right?
Sorry, say that again.
From my profile or from from the home page?
You're going to go into your LinkedIn, the menu bar at the top where it says home, my network, jobs, and messaging.
Oh,
so
messaging.
Click on messaging.
No, I do not see that.
You don't see it? Okay, so this may only be for people who have Premium or Sales Navigator. Is there anybody on the call who has Premium or Sales Navigator? I'm looking for somebody who has the away message. Christopher, I know you have it. I want to find somebody else on the call who does.
I can see it, Brenda.
Michelle?
Michelle.
Okay. Michelle, do you have an away message set up yet?
No.
Okay. And are you currently in career transition, Michelle?
Yes.
All right. So this is a tip for anyone who has, if you have Business Premium or Sales Navigator, which is one of the paid versions of LinkedIn, it doesn't appear that Job Seeker Premium has this feature enabled for you. But if you do have Business Premium or Sales Navigator, we have the ability to send an away message on LinkedIn. And I think right now, when you go into here, Michelle, does it say set message, or what is the option? What's the link in there for you?
So on my messaging, you actually have to click on the three dots next to messaging, and maybe that's where Lisa
right here
can find
and then it says
and then it says set away message.
Set away message. So the first time you see it, it'll say set away message, and then it's going to pull up, and you probably have something that looks similar like this, right, Michelle?
Yes.
Okay. So here's what you do, and my tip for you is let's use our away message and remind people what we're looking for. So remember in the beginning when I said drop into the chat, I'm currently looking for a job, like a marketing director in Metro Detroit. If you know of any opportunities, please let me know. So let's use this as an opportunity for people who message you to give them this away message back and to remind people what you're looking for. Okay. So what I would do is you can put the start and end date in there. If you don't want to have it on forever, you could just put like for the next week and a half, just try it out. See if you get any responses. I mean, just try it. You never know. Just like in the beginning, if you don't remind people what you're looking for, there may be people messaging you who aren't even aware that you're in career transition right now. So let's test this out. And what I would do is just type a message in here. It has to be 300 characters or less. Short and sweet is my advice, but just say, thanks for your message. I usually kind of start with this. Thanks for your message. I'll try to reply in the next 1 to 2 days. In the meantime, I'd like to remind you that I'm currently in career transition, seeking my next position as and what's your job title that you're looking for, Michelle?
Customer success manager.
Okay, as a customer success manager and then what's your targeted geographic area, Michelle?
Raleigh or remote.
Okay, in the greater Raleigh area or a remote position. Let me know if you're aware of any opportunities, right? You don't ask, you're not going to get responses back. And this is the beauty of this. This is like an out of office message for email. So what happens is if a first level connection messages you on LinkedIn, they're going to get an auto reply back. Michelle, I'm going to challenge you to set this up. And those of us who are connected with you on the call, by the end of the call, we're going to message you and we're going to see that you have it set up so we can see what it looks like. Is that okay with you, Michelle? All right, she's muted, but I think she said yes.
Yeah, I'll do it now. Sorry.
And then we're going to save that. Now, the good thing about this, guys, is you are going to see people who do message you. So if you're on the call right now, message me on LinkedIn because I want to show you mine set up, and I'll get notification that you messaged me, and that message will include my out of office, so I'll know that it has been sent to you. So if anyone can go to LinkedIn right now, message me. I'll show your name and profile up on the screen to show you an example of my view of this as using this. And I did hear a question. Give me just 1 second to see if I can get somebody. You can just send me a quick message saying hi. What I'm using this for right now is I'm doing a series of 50 LinkedIn tips in 50 days. And every day I go in there and I put the link to the current day's post. So if by chance you didn't visit my profile, you didn't see my post, but you messaged me, I'm serving you up a tip. I'm directing you back to my my messages where my LinkedIn activity feed, I should say. All right, now I got a couple of them coming in. Joan Smith, you're at the top of the box here. So what happens here is Joan just sent me a quick message saying hello. Since she and I are first level connections, Joan, did you get the reply back right away? Can you unmute yourself, Joan?
Yes, I did. It says
Yeah.
automatic reply. I'm gonna click on it in just a second.
There you go. And in this case, I had a link to my post. You know, if you're in career transition and you've recently posted about that, you could direct people to the post as well. You don't need to. You could just put an out of office message in there. So that's a little example of that. Again, you do need to have Business Premium or Sales Navigator. They do give you a 30-day trial. Yeah, so if you want to try it out, you could set yourself up for Business Premium. What happens when you do a free trial? You have to put a credit card on file and just cancel on day 29 because day 30, they'll bill you for the next month. So you could always try it out for 1 month for free.
Brenda,
Yes.
I did find a way. This is Lisa. I found a way to do it in Job Seeker.
Oh,
Yeah,
good.
it's
Lisa, tell us
regular.
how.
What you
Available.
do is the three dots after messaging on your screen. You click that and it says away messages.
Oh,
So I don't
good.
see
So it is in there.
Yeah, so I can see it that way. I just didn't get the bar like you got.
Oh, awesome. Okay. So if anybody has Job Seeker Premium, there is a way that you can set this up. So at the top where in messaging, click on the 3 dots. And if anyone on the call has Job Seeker Premium and you've set this up, unmute yourself right now. Let me know because we'll test it out. We'll try sending you a message and see if it works on there. Or you can just message us in chat so we can keep this moving along.